In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to fix Instagram notes feature not showing up. So if you're unable to see the Instagram note feature on your application or on your mobile device, then what you have to do is, first of all, you have to go and log in, and here you can see the note feature is not available. So to initiate or to fix this issue, you have to first of all exit out and then go and try updating your app first. So go ahead and open up your Google Play Store, and on the search box you need to go ahead and type in Instagram. And when you type in Instagram, here you should be able to see an update button. So press on it and once again log in and check whether the app has updated the feature or not. You're still unable to find it, then you can also try clearing your cache as well as data. For that case, go ahead and open up your Instagram app. Long press on your Instagram and go to app info page. Here go to storage and cache and click on clear cache as well as storage, and that should be able to fix the issue all at once. And if that's not the case, then you can also try restarting your device and at the same time reinstalling it, and that should be able to fix it. In some cases, if you have a business account, then you cannot see the following feature. So as you can see, in my case, this is a professional account. So here you can see there's no such thing as note feature on my Instagram account. So this is actually a professional. When you switch over your profile, then you should be able to get the note feature. So I'm going to show you how you can actually do it. So tap the try bar icon. Right on this page, go to business tools and control. Over here you need to press on switch account type. Go to your personal account, and when you do that, it's going to switch to a personal account. And after that, on the other page, you need to go ahead and exit out of your Instagram and then once again re-log in into your account. After refreshing the application, you should be able to find the note feature, and it's going to take a while in order to load the note feature, but you should be able to get it. So that's how you can fix your Instagram note feature not showing up. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.